Good morning everyone. So today we are going to have a practical session of your chapter 3, that is working with Windows. So first of all, see, everyone knows that this is a desktop screen. This is Windows 7 desktop screen. These are the icons. You can see my finger. These are the icons. This is the start button and this is a taskbar. Once again I'll repeat it for you. These are the icons. This is a start button and this is a taskbar, and this is a desktop screen, Windows 7 desktop screen. Now we'll come on to our next topic, that is I'll just show you that what is a file and what is a folder. I have showed you the icon, it was there in your book, and today I'll show you over here also. See, this is a folder and this is a file. You can also see the difference between a file and a folder. I'll just drag it for you so that you can see it easily. See, can you see the difference? What is a file and what is a folder? See, this is of blue color, the icon is of blue color, and this is of yellow color. The file is this is a Word file, and it is a folder, means there are many folders, subfolders in it. Fine. So this is the difference between a file and a folder. After that, our next topic is that how to open Windows Explorer. So what is the first step to open Windows Explorer? Means हम लोग Windows Explorer को कैसे खोलेंगे बेटा? See, first of all we go on the start button. कहाँ पे होता है हमारा start button? Bottom left corner पे, means on the left corner is our start button. We'll go on the start button first. Our first step is to click on the start button. Our second step is to click on the all programs. You can see all programs over here. See, it will be visible to you now. See, you will go on all programs. After that you will go on accessories. See, this is the accessories button. You will click on it. After that you will go on Windows Explorer. See, this is Windows Explorer. Your screen has opened. This is the Windows Explorer screen. So now we'll read about the components of the Windows Explorer. First of all, we'll start from here. This is the back button. You can see two arrows over here. This is the back button. This is the forward button. This is the toolbar. This is the address bar. This is the minimize button, maximize button, maximize button, and the close button. Means whenever we want to shut down this, means we want to close down this Windows Explorer. After that, this is the left pane. Means on the left side is the left pane, and you can see a small arrow over here. This small arrow, it is the option that if we want more options of Windows Explorer, so this is the more option button. Over here you can see where 4 items are written. See, 4 items are written over here. Everyone can see. This is a status bar. What is this? This is a status bar, and this is the right pane, means the detail pane. This is the right pane, that is the detail pane. Once again I'll repeat it for you. See, this is the back button, this is the forward button. 2 arrows you can see, this is the forward button. After that, this is the toolbar where you can see that organize and new library option is written. This is the toolbar. Above that, where library is written, that is the address bar, means you can search any address in that, so that is called a address bar. After that comes the minimize button, the maximize button, and the close button. Is it clear? After that we'll come on to this small black color arrow. It is the more option button. Which button is this? This is the more option button. This is the left pane, means on the left hand side is the left pane, and this is the right pane, means the detail pane. After that, on to the last one, that is where you can see the 4 items option is there. That is the status bar. What is this? This is the status bar. You all need to learn the components of Windows Explorer. Even it can come in 2 ways in your exam. Either I'll give you the picture of this, you have to mention all the parts, or either I can give you to write the steps how to open our Windows Explorer. Is it clear? After that, now I'll teach you first of all that how to create a file and how to create a folder. Fine. So see, we'll press on the close button over here because we have to go to our desktop screen. We are back onto our desktop screen. Is it clear? Everyone can see. After that, if we want to create a Word file, how do we we'll go on to the Word file. What we'll do, we'll go on the start button. We'll search over here MS Word. Even if you remember, you have done a practical of MS Word in class 3rd. This is our MS Word file. Is it clear? The screen is the MS Word file. Now if we want to save this file, suppose I have to save a blank file, I don't want to write anything, or if I've suppose if I've created any file and I want to save that, what will I do? See, first of all, the shortcut key to save a file is Control plus S. Everyone can see? What is the shortcut key to save a file? It's Control plus S. Is that clear? You can either save your file pressing Control plus S, and if you don't want to save the file using Control plus S, then the second option is that you'll go on the top left corner, you'll click on this, you can see the option save. You'll go on the save. You can choose the drive wherever you want to save your file. Then after that, what you'll do, that suppose if I want to save my file on the desktop, I don't want to search it anywhere. I want to save it on the desktop. I'll just click on the desktop. Over here, I'll just name it by my name. If I want to save, like Harleen, I have saved. Fine. I'll just click on the save option. You can see the save option over here at the bottom. You'll go on this. After that, you will just close this. You will go on the desktop. See, my name folder is over here. Sorry, my name file is over here. You can see my name. Everyone can see. Over here it is written. See this. This was our file. I'll just open it and you can see the file is there. So everyone has learned how to create a file. Now, if you want to make a new folder, what will you do? You will right click. See, this is a mouse. Everyone can see this is a mouse. What you will do? You will right click on the mouse. After that, see, you will see a option over here, new. See, this is the new option. After new, you can see a small arrow over here. Can you all see a small arrow over here? When you will go on it, a option will come of folder. The very first option will come of folder. You will just click on it and a folder is there, and you can even give it any name to the folder. Suppose I don't want to give any name, I just press the enter key. So my folder has been created. After that, if suppose I am making some folders in that, means अगर अभी मेरे को रीनेम नहीं करना है अपने फोल्डर को, and if बाद में I am making any files or anything, and बाद में if I want कि like चलो today I should rename my folder so that if any other day if I switch on my system and I want to search my folder, then where will I search? Means कभी मेरे को कोई आगे जाके कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो फाइल ढूंढने में, फोल्डर ढूंढने में. So what will I do? I'll just create a folder of my name, so that if I'll put my name over here, so that if in future मैं कभी भी सिस्टम को ऑन करूँगी एंड मेरे को फोल्डर ढूंढना होएगा बेटा, so what will you do? तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं होएगी फोल्डर ढूंढने में. So how will you rename it? You'll go on this folder. Fine, you'll go on this folder, you'll right click on it. After that, at the second last option you can see rename. See, it is written rename. You'll click on rename. Then all of you can see that it has been highlighted, my new folder 3. So we can put any name over here. Fine, like I have written like class 4. I have saved the folder by this name, like class 4, because I am having the documents of class 4 in this folder. So if I want to search class 4, so I'll directly search class 4 and I'll get my folder, and then you can press the enter key. Your folder is saved. You can drag it over here. How do you drag a folder? आप folder को अगर आपको यहाँ से यहाँ तक shift करना होता है, I taught you drag and drop. This is called drag and drop. कैसे हम लोग drag करते हैं? जिस भी folder को आपको drag करना होता है बेटा, you will just left click on it and you will just drag the folder and drop it wherever you want to drop. Is it clear to everyone over here? So I have taught you how to make a file, how to make a folder, how to save a file, how to save a folder, how to rename both of it. Now we will learn how to delete a folder. See, suppose I want to delete this file. I'll right click on it. You can see the delete option over here. Can you see? I'll then left click on it. The dialog box has appeared. It is showing me that are you sure you want to move this file to the recycle bin? Means क्या मैं श्योर हूँ कि हाँ मुझे ये वाली फाइल डिलीट करके रिसाइकिल बिन में मैं चाहती हूँ कि वो चली जाए. Yes, I want to delete it. I'll just click on delete. The file has disappeared from here. Same way, if I want to delete my folder, I'll just click on this delete folder over here, and yes. And now if गलती से ही आपसे कोई फाइल या फोल्डर कुछ डिलीट हो जाती है, और आप फिर परेशान हो रहे हो कि लाइक हाउ टू गेट इट बैक, तो हम लोग उसको रीस्टोर कैसे करते हैं? हाउ टू रीस्टोर योर फाइल एंड फोल्डर. क्या डायलॉग बॉक्स आया था बेटा वहाँ पे आर यू श्योर यू वांट टू मूव योर फाइल टू द रिसाइकिल बिन? तो वो फाइल कहाँ गई है? रिसाइकिल बिन में. सी, दिस इज आवर रिसाइकिल बिन. मीन्स जितना भी हमारा डिलीटेड फाइल्स होती है, डिलीटेड फोल्डर्स होते हैं, वो हमारे सब कहाँ जाते हैं? डैट मूव्स टू दी रिसाइकिल बिन. सो वील क्लिक ऑन दी रिसाइकिल बिन नाउ. सी, दीज आर माई डिलीटेड files and folders. Over here I'll search my file. That where is my file? I'll just search it. I can even, if I'm not getting, I can even search over here. Like I have just deleted a file named Herline. See, it is over here. If I want to restore it, you can see the option of restore at the first one. I want to restore it. It has restored. My second folder was of name class 4. See, this is my folder of class 4. I have restored it. So is it clear? Means all the deleted files and folders move to the recycle bin. These are all the files which I have deleted. And what is the shortcut key to permanently delete a file or a folder? The shortcut key to permanently delete a file or a folder is Shift plus delete. Fine. You will just press Shift and delete and your folder will completely disappear. And if you want to select all the files together, means in a Windows Explorer, all the files and folders, then you can also press Ctrl plus A. That is why I always ask you to learn the shortcut keys, because if you learn all the shortcut keys, then it will be much more easy for you to operate a computer, because all these shortcut keys are very much helpful. So is it clear? Now I'll just tell you that how to copy or how to move a file. हम लोग अपने फाइल को बेटा कैसे कॉपी करते हैं और कैसे मूव करते हैं. सपोज़ मेरे को ये वाली फ़ाइल इस फोल्डर में कॉपी करनी है, तो मैं कैसे करूँगी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सी, I will just open, I'll just right click on this file her name. I'll just rename it. नहीं सॉरी नॉट, I'll not rename it, I'll press on copy. सी मैंने कॉपी पे प्रेस करा. आफ्टर दैट मैं फोल्डर में मूव करनी है. देन I'll open this folder. What will I do over here is that I want to paste it over here. I'll right click on it and you can see the paste option over here. I'll paste it. See, the file has been copied over here. I have just copied it from there and I have pasted it over here. Now if you want to search any file in a computer, हाँ सपोज आपने कंप्यूटर ऑन करा, कंप्यूटर की स्क्रीन ऐसे अपीयर होती है. हाँ, इफ़ यू वांट टू सर्च एनी फाइल, एनी डॉक्यूमेंट और एनी थिंग इन अ कंप्यूटर, what will you do? You will go on the start button. After that over here you can see the search bar, search programs and files. यहाँ पे आप कुछ भी नेम डालोगे, कोई भी फाइल का नेम डालोगे. सी आई एम जस्ट डूइंग दिस. इफ़ आप कोई भी फाइल का नेम डालोगे तो वो यहाँ पे अपीयर हो जाएगी, है ना. लाइक सपोज आई वांट टू सर्च अ फाइल ऑफ, suppose you can say any document. हाँ, see, the document is appeared over here. Like whatever name you will be putting it over here, by whichever name the file will appear. Is that clear? So now what I want you all to do is that I want you all to practice this at your home. Then only you will learn about all this. Practice it 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. And if you're having any problem or anything, it is not that I'll be just telling you one time. If you'll ask me n number of times also, then also I'll help you. Fine, you can ask me anything in the doubt session anytime. I'll always be available to tell you, but I want you all to learn all this. Is that clear? So do this practical and let me know if you face any problem. Thank you so much. Bye bye.